What is going on, Earth 2 novice, enthusiasts, and everyone in between? Welcome back to another episode in which we are going to be discussing Earth 2, of course. Now, I've got some announcements that I want to go over. These are straight from CEO of Earth 2, our commander, chief, and messiah of the new world, Shane Isaac. I've decided to break them up in a number of different videos so they don't get too lengthy, and it allows you to get to just the videos that are of interest to you. Hopefully all of them are, but I'll probably also have some links popping up above, and maybe even some links in the show notes. I don't know. Let's see if I remember to put them there. And if you want to skip ahead to different content, by all means do that. And also, remember, while you're down there, check out the other links, namely the sign-up link that will get you into the raffle for me to use your referral code, as well as enter the weekly LAN giveaway. So we've got two awesome prizes that you have the potential of winning for just filling out one contact form. Also, as a third benefit of that form, you will be put on my email list. Sometimes I don't have the time to shoot and edit and post a video, but I do get emails out pretty quickly, so definitely you want to sign up for that form because you'll be put on the email list, you'll be put into the referral raffle, and you will be put into the free LAN giveaway raffle. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to the correct channel. Intentional Being is the channel that I go live on. I will post Earth 2 content on both channels, Intentional Being and Meal Prep Biz 101, but I only go live on Intentional Being, and I post first to Intentional Being. So if you really want up-to-date information, make sure you're subscribed to Intentional Being. Make sure you've got those alert notifications on, and make sure you filled out that contact form so you're on the email list and you don't miss a single thing. But now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump into today's episode. All right, today's episode, we are discussing selling properties, and as I typically like to do, going to jump right into what Mr. Shane Isaac, the one and only, had to say, so you're getting the information right from the horse's mouth, and then we'll dive deeper into it. Selling properties. Another update rolled out recently which reaffirms the price of a property after the user sets a price and lists it on the marketplace. This update shows a final reminder to the user on how much they paid for the property and how much they are planning to sell it for to avoid users accidentally setting the wrong sale price. So not only is this going to help with prevent scammers, because it'll make it a lot more obvious when mistakes are made. Like, some people I'm sure are claiming they've made mistakes in the listing price, and they're probably gunking up the customer service portholes, but the legitimate mistakes as well. You put a decimal point in the wrong spot, and you could legitimately scam yourself basically by listing something, at a 1/10 of the intended price, maybe 100th of the intended price, maybe 1,000th. I don't know. I'd be so bummed if I sold one of my a $500 property for like $5. Imagine that. That would be ugly. So this is nice that they're putting this in place. This also goes along with some of the other precautions that they put in place to prevent scams, like legitimate scams where someone is for instance, one of them I know they've got a new prevention method for is they'll basically send a bid to you, and I mentioned this in other videos. They send a bid to you for one price, and then they quickly switch it to a lower price, and sometimes if you don't catch that price change, you accept it, and you're kind of SOL. But that's all I wanted to discuss for today's video. I'm going to let you go, get back to doing your Earth 2 stuff. Make sure you're subscribed, you got those alert notifications on, and until then, until the next episode, I should say, I look forward to helping you navigate this mystical, magical, marvelous, maniacal Marvel comic universe world of Earth 2. Have a great day.